Today, I will show you a real example on how to buy the dip and make a profit selling the top. This is part 1. Here I will show you how to do a complete technical analysis so you can profit from buying the dip on a short-term basis. On May 22, 2025, I bought 9 shares of Nucor stock at $110 per share, costing me a total of $993. Here is a copy of the purchase slip, but this purchase was made after the technical analysis. The main goal of this purchase is to make at least 10% on this transaction in a matter of days. Here is the breakdown. I paid $110 per share. The goal is to add $12 per share, so my selling point or selling top is $122 per share. Now I multiply the 9 shares that I purchased by the $12 goal, and I get $108. By dividing the $108 by the total cost of $993, which is the total purchase cost, I get a 10% return on my investment. Do you think this is doable? Let's see. The current trend for this stock is an uptrend. It is close to the sideways mark. It has room to hit the 52-week high of $173. Do you think it will make the $122 target? The first 9 moving averages are negative, which means that for the last 36 months, the average stock price was higher than the current price. This is a dip, a good buying opportunity, at least in the short term. The RSI is 46, nearing dip territory. There is a reason why investors are selling the stock. I don't know and I don't care. The only thing that is important is that the stock price goes up to $122 per share. The MACD is negative 0.2, dip territory. The stochastic indicator is 15, dip territory. The PSR is 116, dip territory. There is room for this stock to rise. A $6 rise is reasonable in the short term. The Williams R is negative 82, dip territory. The Elder Ray indicator has both negative numbers, dip territory. The Ichimoku clouds confirm the dip on the short term. The current price is below the lines and the cloud. The current price is close to the dip forecast and lower than the buying opportunity of $114. My target is to make the $122 top forecast. Here is the first month's dip and top. Here is the last month's top and dip. The current top is $122, and the current dip is $111. Based on all this information I just showed you, I have 2 questions for you. On a short-term basis, 1. Do you think the buy of 9 shares at $110 is a good purchase? 2. Do you think the stock has a good chance to reach $122 in a few days? We'll find out in part 2 of this video. To do your own analysis, visit www.companyvalueinvestor.com and click on the Analysis Hub. Here you will find some of the most popular companies that you can use to analyze and use to make your trading and investment decisions for free. You will find several different companies from every sector in the stock market. If you would like to help expand the Company Analysis Hub, please subscribe to the channel, share, and comment.